Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD printing fresh highs and skittish price action, 1.30 bid on the cards. http ntvforex.com news ID E00E5D. 3 minutes ago. By Ross J. Berland. The Federal Reserve was a critical event risk for this week, with market participants anxious into the meeting. On the initial outcome following the announcements and statement, leaves rates unchanged, repeats that it is committed to the full range of tools. The US dollar was stabilizing at the lows of the day within minutes of the announcements, but has since broken to the downside. At the time of writing, GBP USD is trading between a range of 1.2911 and 1.2999, a 5-month high. Cable was rising ahead of the meeting on dollar weakness, approaching pre-COVID levels, and is now testing the 1.3000 level. Fed key takeaways. FOMC rate decision lower bound actual 0.00% vs 0.00%, previous EST 0.00%. Voted 10-0 for Fed funds rate action. Fed committed to using full range of tools to support US economy. Path of economy will depend significantly on course of coronavirus outbreak. More to come. Meanwhile, the pound has been impressive over the past several weeks, considering the uncertainty surrounding Brexit, the UK's own epidemic and the government's bad handling of it, as well as the prospects for negative rates in the UK. Speculative funds have been short according to the last CHFTC data, but positions were not as shorts as they were at the beginning of June. We had seen a fall in US share market at the start of June, which tends to have a negative correlation to the pound. However, a broad weakening on the greenback has been a major contributor to G10FX. The hopes for a vaccine has fueled optimism in the markets, and news that Britain has signed a supply deal for up to 60 million doses of a possible COVID vaccine will be a positive input for selling markets in general. Whether the pound can maintain a bid is doubtful, however, considering Brexit uncertainty is always lurking around the corner of every rally. The tradition period comes to an end at the turn of the new year, which makes for a probable winter of discontent for UK markets. With Brexit negotiations stuck in the mud, the other pillars of monetary policy and the UK economy could well come crashing down for the pound later this year. GBP USD levels. GBP USD. Overview. Today last price. 1.2987. Today daily change. 0.0055. Today daily change percent. 0.43. Today daily open. 1.2932. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 1.263. Daily SMA 50. 1.2525. Daily SMA 100. 1.241. Daily SMA 200. 1.2702. Levels. Previous daily high. 1.2953. Previous daily low. 1.2838. Previous weekly high. 1.2804. Previous weekly low. 1.2518. Previous monthly high. 1.2813. Previous monthly low. 1.2252. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 1.2909. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 1.2882. Daily Pivot Point S1. 1.2863. Daily Pivot Point S2. 1.2793. Daily Pivot Point S3. 1.2748. Daily Pivot Point R1. 1.2977. Daily Pivot Point R2. 1.3022. Daily Pivot Point R3. 1.3091. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.